Hey guys, this is John Hilliard from JT's Vending. Real quick, just want to show you guys the process that when I'm moving two vending machines, I normally use this U-Haul trailer, the wind blowing kind of hard, and I scrap them down pretty good. Once you use the pallet jack, and you always need to use these extra pieces of wood for your snack machines. Once you scrap them down pretty good, you can push them on there. I would advise you always to have a helper, always to have at least one other person to help steer the pallet jack. But once you do that, you'll be good to go, man.